Hello my friends and welcome back. Alright, this is one of my favourite dishes. This is a real Aussie thing, this is. Ham steaks with pineapple fritters. I'm doing it with chips and salad. Right, look at these babies. Alright, normally ham steaks, there used to be these round things big enough to put your piece of pineapple on. But yeah, I've scored these ones and they're amazing. I'll be able to put a couple bits of pineapple on them so they're killer. So with your ham steaks, it's basically ham, so it's cooked already. So you want to cook it like you would bacon. So put your frying pan on reasonably hot. Put a little bit of olive oil or oil on it in it. And you want it, like I said, fry them up like bacon so they're nice and crunchy on the outside. Alright, so I'll put them on the same time as the oil's been heated up for the pineapple fritters. Alright, so for your pineapple fritters, you want 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1 egg. Now I'm using pineapple fizzy drink. If you can't get pineapple, you can use lemonade. This is beautiful though. If you can get pineapple fizzy drink, get it. Otherwise you can use milk. Alright, so 1 cup of pineapple fizzy drink. Alright, whisk it all up. So I've already got my chips in the oven and I've already done my salad. This is so good, it's so yummy. So you want to get 1 can of pineapple while I'm doing that. You want to get 1 can of pineapple, take out all the juice and then put it in a bowl ready to go as well. Oh, these are so yummy. So yeah, as the oil's heating up, you want to start doing your ham steaks. Alright, so just grill the shit out of it until you get no lumps. Ham steaks are frying away beautifully. They smell amazing. Okay, oil's hot enough, so we get our batter. Put our first pineapple in. Get your fork through the hole. In she goes. Check these babies out. Yum! Alright, on the paper towel they go. How quick and easy is this meal? It's just unreal and it's so yummy. Alright, we're all ready to serve. Now I've done a little plate of salad. Get my ham steak. Spread on there. Look at this baby. Now it's up to you how many pineapple fritters. You seem to always need more. So I'm going to put 2 on. Oh no, I'm going to put 3 on. Because I can. Oh yeah. Pineapple fritters. And then your hot chips. Oh, these beer battered chips are amazing. Oh, the size of that thing. And there you have it, my friends. You have an awesome, awesome meal. Ham steaks and pineapple. I'll whack some chicken salt on them. God, look how big that is. That is amazing. Check that out. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a great day and give it a go. It really is a beautiful meal. Bye.